This is our polycarbonate venlo multi-span greenhouse. The size of the greenhouse is 32 times 40 meters. The shoulder height is 3 meters. The top height is 4.8 meters. And the covering material is 8 millimeters PC board. The ventilation system has a set of ventilation at the top of each span, and an electric aversion window on both sides, with 40 mesh anti-insect net. There is a foyer at the front and back end wall covered by PC. And the door dimension is 2*2 m, length *width. There is a disinfection area between the exterior door and the inner door. The inner door is equipped with an insect net to again prevent mosquitoes from entering. There are total 16 negative pressure fans on the left and right sides, which are used to extract the air in the greenhouse. The air passes through the front and rear wet curtains to achieve the cooling effect, and the combination of the two can effectively adjust the temperature in the greenhouse. There are 8 circulating fans in the middle to promote air circulation in the greenhouse. The greenhouse is equipped with intelligent equipment, with sensors for sensing light, temperature, and humidity, solar power supply, no need to plug in, and equipped with the LED detection display screen, and has integrated solar meteorological station, intelligent greenhouse control cabinet,